So there, personally, I felt I was able to, one, like I said, most importantly, like I'm gonna keep repeating it. I was able to listen better. So then that helped me um, with my communication and how I responded back to the students. Additionally, I also feel like we were doing a type of communication that engaged us to another level, um, as I was working side by side with Mr. Unleas and the training that I was receiving from him. Because um, as part of the team that was working at Juarez's discipline office, I felt like we were gaining a level of communication and social capital with the students that allowed for us not to have our students continue to make the same errors, but also they were hearing us as much as we were hearing them, so that they can try to little by little improve their behavior, their interactions, their socialization with other students.